Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's SLP video update for Saturday 20th of August. And everything is actually looking pretty bad, so let's actually get straight to the point and let's talk about what SLP is really doing. So this is the pattern that I want to show you right now again. So you do have a bear flag right here, and it's time to say goodbye to everything. So you can actually see how a bear flag pattern really looks like. So when you go down like this and then you start to move sideways like that, that's actually a bearish flag. Enter at the top of flag or on a breakout below low, and that's how it pretty much looks. So what you're doing right now is making a huge bear flag for SLP, right? You can even say that this is actually a flag right here on a weekly time frame, because I'm just showing you all the evidence that I actually can right now. And you can already see that this is how the flag really looks like. Okay, so that popped to the downside, guys. This popped to the downside. Where are you gonna go? Where are you about to go? But to me, the better flag actually looks like this one. All right, so this on the weekly time frame is a picture perfect flag to me, that one right there. So the technical target is on a weekly time frame, so you're looking for a very big drop to go all the way down to that price level, which is going to be 0.001, and that's from 0.00422 right now. So that's going to be a huge 75% discount coming up in the future. And that's pretty much it for this quick one. That's the technical target, ladies and gents, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.